Inspired by the clean concrete aesthetic of his father's home, architect Luciano Kruk designed this concrete residence to maximize natural light sources and prioritize mono-materiality. The Mach House features a square floor plan and is located in a gated community in Maschwitz, in the northern Greater Buenos Aires region of Argentina. The curved layout of the streets defines the shape of the neighborhood's lots, with the Mach House situated on a trapezoid-shaped plot with curved front and rear sides. Situated on the edge of the community and in its highest area, the flat terrain was originally free of tree vegetation. The front and rear facades feature large windows protected by concrete overhangs, creating a generous axial view that extends through the house from front to back. The water features, both inside and outside, reflect sunlight, creating an intricate series of light effects throughout the day. The glazed windows, reflecting pools and vegetation, provide a calm and intimate atmosphere. To provide privacy, a reflecting pool separates the house from the street, while aquatic plants were placed in front of the bedrooms. Despite the solidity of the main material, the open floor plan and the vegetation-filled interior courtyard contribute to an overall sense of spaciousness. The living spaces of the house are organized on a 3x3 orthogonal grid, with the interior courtyard as the central element. The house includes a master suite, a secondary bedroom, a kitchen integrated with the dining area, a living room connected to a semi-covered gallery, and a smaller room designed as a TV cinema space. Large sliding glass panels at the rear connect the interior spaces to the semi-covered deck. All framing is made of dark bronze, anodized aluminum with double glazing. The semi-covered areas in front of the transparent surfaces regulate both direct sunlight and thermal incidence. The house is inward-facing, while opening up at the front and rear, creating cross views between the street and the back garden. The expression of exposed concrete, shaped with wooden formwork, gives the house a pure and refined character. The sheltering sensation provided by the stony essence of the concrete and its mono-materiality, present in the floors, ceiling, and structure, reinforces the home's atmosphere and enhances the perception of light, air, and scents.